Hi students, now very most important topic, that is sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride, it is also reducing agent. Sodium borohydride, it is a weak reducer. Sodium borohydride, that is NaBH4. Sodium borohydride is weak reducer. It is weak reducer than lithium aluminum hydride. But lithium aluminum hydride is LiAlH4 is strong reducer. It is very most important student. Sodium borohydride is weak reducer and lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducer. What is the differences between sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride? So lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4 is strong reducer than sodium borohydride. It is very most important student. These both are lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, both are providing hydride ion. These both are providing H minus. This is also providing H minus and this is also providing H minus. But what is the reason? Lithium aluminum is strong reducing than sodium borohydride. Very most important point student. So here in lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4, in lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4 is strong reducer and sodium borohydride is weak reducer. What is the reason? Simple trick student. I will give simple trick student. These both are providing H minus, both are giving H minus, that is hydride, both are giving hydride, but lithium aluminum hydride is strong reducer and sodium borohydride is weak reducer. What is the reason? First point student, lithium aluminum hydride is aluminum is the large size, aluminum is large size, aluminum is large size and boron is the small size. Remember first point student, aluminum is the large size, boron is the small size. And one more thing students, in lithium aluminum hydride is weak bond is present. In lithium aluminum hydride weak bond is present, but in sodium borohydride is strong bond is present. Strong bond is present. What is weak bond student? In lithium aluminum hydride weak bond is present in between aluminum and hydrogen. In between aluminum and hydrogen weak bond is present. Why? Because of its aluminum is large size, aluminum is a large size and hydrogen is small size, but in this in between weak bond is present, so here easily bond breaking. But in sodium borohydride is small size. Sodium borohydride in between boron and hydrogen is small distance, is a small size, means that is strong bond is present. This is weak bond. Why? Because of small size is large size. But in sodium borohydride in between boron and hydrogen is large strong bond is present, strong bond is present, and that is a small distance in between, small distance. Boron and hydrogen is small distance and aluminum and hydrogen is large distance is there, so that's why easily bond breaking in between aluminum hydride, easily bond breaking. That means easily releasing H minus, releasing H minus. But in sodium borohydride, boron do not giving H minus easily, that is slowly releasing. In sodium borohydride, boron slowly releasing H minus ion. That is the reason student. So that's why it is strong reducer. Lithium aluminum hydride is strong reducer due to the large size of atom and weak bond and easily releasing, that is hydride ion, easily release H minus. But in sodium borohydride, that is weak reducer. Why? Because of its strong bond is present in between boron and hydrogen, so that is strong bond is present, so H minus is very slowly releasing. That is the simple trick student. This sodium borohydride is weak reducer. Why? Because of it is in between boron and hydrogen strong bond is present and it releases H minus very slowly. But in lithium aluminum hydride is H minus is very fast releasing. That is the simple trick student. This is a simple trick student. So here lithium, that's why lithium aluminum is strong reducing than sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride is weak reducer and lithium aluminum is strong reducer. So that's why lithium aluminum is strong reducing than sodium borohydride. Why? Because of lithium is the large size of atom and weak bond is present in between and aluminum and hydrogen. But in sodium borohydride strong bond is present in between boron and hydrogen, so cannot easily donate the H minus, cannot release H minus hydride. but in lithium aluminum hydride easily releasing H minus, that is fast releasing H minus. Simply remember student, in lithium aluminum hydride easily, that means fast releasing H minus, but in sodium borohydride is slowly releasing H minus. That is the simple trick student. These both are giving hydride, both are giving hydride. Out of these two, which one is fast releasing student? This lithium aluminum is fast releasing H minus, that is the, that's why it is strong reducer. That is a simple trick student. So, and one more thing student, here in this sodium borohydrides can reduce, very most important point student, very most important point student, sodium borohydride can reduce, that is aldehyde group, can reduce aldehyde groups. And second one, it can reduce ketone groups also, sodium borohydride can reduce keto group also. And third one is, it can reduce, sodium borohydride can reduce, that is acid halides, that means acid chloride, acid bromide, like that. And it can reduce cyanides also. Sodium borohydride can reduce cyanides also. These are the important properties of sodium borohydride student. Sodium borohydride can reduce aldehyde group, can reduce keto group, can reduce acid halide, and it can reduce cyanide group. This is a very most important student. So sodium borohydride is weak reducer. So this sodium borohydride reduce aldehyde group. This aldehyde group is converted into aldehyde group to give primary alcohol, that it gives primary alcohols, it gives primary alcohols. What is the student? That is when aldehyde react with sodium borohydride, aldehyde react with sodium borohydride in the presence of acid catalyst, it gives primary alcohols. Ketones react with sodium borohydride NaBH4 in the presence of acid catalyst, it gives, that is acidic hydrogens, it gives, that is secondary alcohols, it gives secondary alcohols, it gives secondary alcohols. And acid halides also react with sodium borohydride NaBH4 in the presence of acid catalyst, that is acidic hydrogen, it gives also primary alcohol, it is also giving primary alcohols. But cyanides, when cyanides react with sodium borohydride, that is NaBH4 in the presence of acid catalyst, it gives, that is primary amines or CH2NH2. This is a simple trick student. Sodium borohydride is a weak reducing agent, it is weak reducer than lithium aluminum hydride. So here this sodium borohydride can reduce aldehyde. This aldehyde is converted into primary alcohol, aldehyde giving primary alcohols, and ketones giving secondary alcohols, and acid halides also giving primary alcohols, and cyanide also giving primary amines. This is the simple trick student. You remember student, sodium borohydride act as a reducing agent, it is also weak reducer compared to the lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducer. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce aldehydes, ketones, acid chloride, acid amides, and acid derivatives, etc., cyanides, isocyanates, like that. But especially in sodium borohydride, that is selectively, that is aldehydes, ketones, acid halides, and cyanides, these four only can reduce sodium borohydride. So this is very most important student. In sodium borohydride student, that is in sodium borohydride student, that is sodium, I am writing student, the sodium borohydride, the sodium borohydride NaBH4, it giving, that is Na++ and BH4 minus, Na++ and BH4 minus. So this BH4 minus, that is releasing one hydride and releasing one hydride, it giving, that is BH3 plus H minus. This H minus is, that is hydride ion, this H minus is, that is hydride ion. This BH4 can reduce H minus, that is to form this BH4 minus converted to BH3 and H minus. This H minus is called hydride ion, that is nucleophile. This nucleophile, that means this H minus means, that is hydride ion. This hydride ion will attacks always positive charge side. This is the simple trick student. This H minus is called nucleophile. This is a simple trick for sodium borohydride students. Sodium borohydride is a weak reducer. Why? Because of it giving, slowly giving H minus. But lithium aluminum is strong reducer. Why? Because of it is a fast giving H minus. That is a simple trick student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching student. Okay, thanks for watching student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you.